Hello from Aquatica. Just locked in. Super long line for this one already. I have done this one. It is so neat because there's lights inside, and then plus you go to the little dolphin habitat. Very, very cool. This is the lazy river, and then right above this area right here is where they have dolphins. Yeah, they're over there. And that's so neat. You get to slide right through the little dolphin area right here. And that's really neat. They're like, here's the slide. And there's the line. It goes across the bridge. Yeah, that's long. Oh, this is so cool. So they connected all of these tubes, and it's right above the lazy river. You can see people down below. That is pretty cool. Can't wait to get in the lazy river and look up at that. That's pretty cool. Here is one of those awesome family slides. Look at that too, it just goes straight up and over, so you don't have to carry it up. It's awesome. Line, super long. It's a hot but there's that ride right there. Oh, it's really fun. It's orange and green ride. And then over here, well, in front of us is a wait, but super big ride. All right, so we are in the little kiddie section right now, and the kids, they wanted to go on this little like mini one that goes up there behind you. I just showed you one that was way bigger. Line was super long. So the kiddie area, they have a small one, so they got in line for it, and they are actually both too tall to get on it. You have to be less than 48 inches. So they're riding the one next to it, another one. So we'll see. You have to be less than 54 inches. So I know Nadia can ride it. I'm not sure about Owen. I can't remember how tall he is for this, but they're in line for it. So I came here to the bottom, and then lazy river time. Got sis a life jacket. Lazy river time. All right, so I think this one goes by fast. Super, super crowded. Lots of people blocking the way to actually get in. Woo! Water squirting everywhere. The current is picking up the pace. Woo! I wonder if these glow in the dark at night. Alright, so the water is 3 feet 9 inches deep. That's fast. It's like a fast river at Volcano Bay. Volcano Bay is still my favorite part. It's our family's favorite part. The best. But, and this one, this park, I have to say, I mean, it's fun, but, woo! Always super crowded every time we come.
What?
Every time we come to the Aquatica, it is super duper crowded. Every time. Ah! Or Blizzard Beach. It's always dead when we go. So we like love going there because they're all walk-ons and slides. So we made it to the other lazy river, and this one has scoops, and you don't have to wear a life jacket. Well, I think if you're under like a 48, maybe, if you can wear a life jacket, which people are not putting them back where they belong. They're just throwing them all over the place. So the life jacket places are bare. But here we are at the fish grotto. Nadia, turn around. So now we have to go back around again, and then the next time we get to the fish grotto, we're going to just keep going instead of going in that little cove, so we can see the other stuff. Yeah, we're about to go to the waterfall and then see the glass with the dolphins. So hopefully we'll see them in there. Oh, then somebody just went through. Do you see that? The ride we just got off of was Walla Halla Waves, and now we're going to go right up the same forever long line and ride Ray Rush. The line is forever, ever long. Like it felt like an hour. I don't know if it really was, but it felt like forever. Like the line starts right here at the bottom. Still in line for Ray Rush. But over there is Epic. You can see the two hotels over there, the two Luminous or something like that. I don't remember, but a whole bunch of cranes. But yeah, that's what it is over there. Look at the race! Had a great time at Aquatica with our family and riding the slides. We love family rides that we can all ride together. So we rode 2 family rides, and the downside was that the lines were extremely long for each of them, but they were fun to ride. We got in like a slow lazy river that we got to see dolphins, and we got to see the wall of the fish, little fish grotto, and then we got to see the dolphins. Was really neat too. We went to the faster lazy river where we wore life jackets and they really pushed you right along. It was really fun. We didn't ride any other slides because it was super crowded at Aquatica. That's just always seems to be that way every time we go to Aquatica, which really isn't that often, maybe once a year. But every time we go, it's always super, super crowded. So I have to say it's not my favorite because of that. They are fun slides, but it's just always packed, always. And but like I've said before, Volcano Bay for Universal is our just top rated. Love that water park, absolutely fantastic. And then Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach, which one's opened, because they're only open one at a time for Disney. Those are both really fun because every time we usually go to those, they're not crowded at all. But Aquatica, always crowded. But we really need to go to bed. We have to wake up at like 4 a.m. for another exciting adventure that we're surprising the kids to. So stay tuned because we have a lot of stuff planned. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more family adventures. And now it's your family time. Bye.